Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I know it's so echoey in here and I'm so sorry about that, but I just got the key to my new apartment in the new city that I'm living in and I'm very excited. So let's do a little empty apartment tour. So right now I'm standing at the front door and we're going to move into the living room. And this is gonna be my little dining area. I have a really small dining room table, so it should work out. And then we're going into the kitchen. Let me flip a light on. Bam, okay. Water heater, fire extinguisher, very important things. And then the washer and dryer, which came with the unit, which I think is so great because I was not excited to buy one. And then here is the kitchen. It is so pretty. Look at this sparkly granite. I love it. Love the light fixture too. I kind of hate that it's black, but there's a lot of things that are black in this apartment. So I'm just gonna liven it up with some color as usual. So really nice appliances, very excited. This is a big ass sink. I didn't even notice this before. Huge fridge, little drawer, freezer. And then, oh, look at my Crocs. They're my personality Crocs. I love them so much. Okay, back to the living room. And we're going to go into my second bedroom. Not really sure what to call this yet. I'm gonna have my vanity, all my makeup, all my filming stuff, a bunch of things on the walls, stuff like that. So this is gonna be like a little beauty room slash studio. So that's very exciting. And then here is the closet. Oh, I was opening it the wrong way. It's decent size. It's, you know, nothing to write home about, but it's pretty cool. And then, not my feet squeaking. And then here is the bathroom. I just walked into the door. The bathroom is so pretty. I love this bathroom so much. Of course, there's a lot of black and white and gray, but again, colorful me. Gonna liven it up. I love my shirt. It says having a meltdown, but this like cute little nature scene. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw me take a little in this, I don't know what that meant, a little mirror selfie in this. So this is a little vanity area, pretty small. The shower, I did get a black shower rod to match all the black in here. I'm getting blinds, by the way. You'll probably notice that there's no blinds. I'm getting blinds in here like in a couple days, so that's exciting. The day before I move, love that. And then finally we have my bedroom, same little closet in here. And then it's kind of small. I'm thinking that this is like smaller than the other one, but because it has so much lighting, I'm thinking about doing this as my bedroom. I'm not too sure yet, but you know, it's a blank slate right now. And then here we are back to the living room. So that was my empty apartment tour, very short and sweet, but I will definitely be posting a full-blown apartment tour when everything is nice and decorated and very me and pink, of course. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for joining me on this journey. Love you! Don't know why I did that.